Hi everyone, I am Avdesh God. In this video, we will learn about various formatting options available within a dashboard. Well, let's get started. In the top menu, we have got a format option. If we select the same, we will get the very first option to format the dashboard. Once we click on that, Tableau opens up the Format Dashboard pane covering the initial dashboard pane over to the left. The very first option is to set the default shading of the dashboard. If we do not want any shading, we can set it to none. But if in case we want a dashboard shading, we can provide a default value. Let us select any random color. Once you do that, the background of the dashboard will change accordingly. If we change this, the background will be changing to that particular color based on our selection. Let us select the very lightest shade of gray. The selections that we are gonna do now are not some of the visual best practices. We are just gonna select the random formatting options to walk you through the available dashboard formatting options in Tableau. Then we have an option to format the dashboard title. But before that, let us turn on the dashboard title first. We will quickly close the format pane and select Show Dashboard Title from the bottom of the dashboard pane. Once we do that, Tableau shows up the dashboard title. Let us quickly edit this to have the entire sheet name. We will hit OK. Let us now reopen the dashboard formatting options following the same steps. Once the dashboard title is available, the very first option is to set up the font size, the font style, and the font color as well. Let us set up the font style to Tableau Bold, the size to 22, and color to dark black. If we require, we can set up the dashboard title alignment as well. Right now, it's left aligned. We can change it to right, automatic, or even to center aligned. After that, we have an option to set up the shading for this particular dashboard title. We can select any random color based on our choice. But as of now, let us select the darker shade of gray. At the end, we have an option to wash out this color as well. Let us select the washout to 50%. The last one is to set up a border for this dashboard title. We have three options to select from as far as the line style is concerned. We will select the second one and repeat. Let us select the second one and the thickness to the second option as well. Thereafter, we can modify the color as per our choice. Let us select the shade of blue. After that, we have few options to set up the worksheet title. Notice, this will set up all of the worksheet titles available in the current dashboard. Let us set up the font style to Tableau Medium, the font size to 14, and the font color to a darker shade of blue. After that, we have an option to set up the shading as well. Again, we can set up a color of our own choice that looks good. Let us select a darker shade of gray as of now and set the washout to 50%. Finally, we have an option to alter all of the text objects in a single go. As of now, we do not have any text object onto the dashboard. Let us quickly add one. Let us quickly add one to the bottommost section of the dashboard. Let us hit OK and select the alignment accordingly. We can easily open up the dashboard formatting pane following the same steps. From over here, we can format all of the text objects available on the dashboard in a single go. Let us select the font style to Tableau Bold, size to 16 and color to dark black. We can also change the alignment. Let us set it to center medium. Last but not the least, if we want to clear all of the formattings in this dashboard that we have entered till now, we can do that in a single go as well. All you need to do is hit this clear button and we'll go to the initial formatting that we started off with. In the next video, we will learn about dashboard actions in Tableau.